Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpaper and style. Here let's tap on change wallpapers, and as you can see we've been transferred to the section from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got pre-installed options. Here we can create some wallpapers with artificial intelligence, which are quite nice options. For example, in the photo ambient, you can just add your own photo, and your device will add, for example, snowflakes or raindrops, depending on what kind of weather you've got around you. Here also pre-installed options and wallpaper services, so dynamic lock screen and Samsung Global Goals. So that's quite nice, but I will simply pick something from the pre-installed ones. I will choose this Doggo. Here we can decide where we would like to set the wallpaper. I will choose both, so home screen and lock screen. Tap on next. And now we can check it on the full screen, whether everything is alright or not. As you can see, in the case of the dog, we can just change the position of this head, totally up to you, and then tap on done if you're ready. As you can see here, we've got the preview, so let's go back to check. Here we've got our wallpaper applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.